Hey there Greymains, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Golden Kerria Shield in Crimson Desert. Now my current location on the map right now is over here in Delicia, over to the far right of the map and over here on the city. The location that we are going to go to will be somewhere around here. You have to make your way from this main bridge all the way here, go to the left and climb your way up. Now before you go to the gate, make sure you're wearing a specific helmet. Over on your armor, make sure to switch into the Visione right here. This will let you in through the gate from the main path. Alright, now just walk right in front of the gate. A cutscene should play, and you should be let inside. Alright, now once you've granted access inside, just go past the bridge, move here to the left, and just climb this post right here all the way to the top. Alright, now once you've climbed all the way here to the top, over to the other side right here, go to this little patio right here, go through the door by using a key, get inside, and go through this door. Just go through, open this door right here as well. And right here on this bed is the Golden Kerria Shield. Now just switch to your mask, steal it, and then wait for the timer to pass. Now the stats for the shield is 3 points in defense, an attack speed of 2, and refinement of level 2. And because this is a shield for Damien, this is what it would look like on her. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Golden Kerria Shield in Crimson Desert.